Hello everyone. Now we'll do the second method of interest on capital. If you remember in the previous video, please go through it. We have done one method of interest on capital. We are doing the other, not exactly the method, but the other circumstance which you can see in the question. जो आप अलग से questions देखोगे जिसमें आपको interest on capital निकालना होगा. तो देखो द फर्स्ट थिंग आई टोल्ड इन द प्रीवियस लेक्चर वाज कि हम हमेशा इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल स्टार्ट करते हैं ओपनिंग कैपिटल से. मैंने आपको बोला था इसकी इंपॉर्टेंस अभी आगे मिलेगी. तो यू हैव टू रिमेंबर दैट फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी शुड हैव ओपनिंग कैपिटल विद अस. व्हेनेवर प्लीज रिमेंबर ऑलवेज कि टू टेक आउट इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल यू शुड बी हैविंग ओपनिंग कैपिटल. Now, there are certain things like opening capital will be on 1st April 2018. There are certain things which are added to the capital, and there are certain things which are subtracted. Some of them I have written. Later you will study more about it. For example, opening capital में हम क्या क्या add करते हैं? We add the profit. This you must have done in profit and loss account also in 11. हम क्या add करते थे? Profit. और less क्या करते थे? Loss. एडिशनल कैपिटल, अगर कोई कैपिटल किसी ने ऐड किया है और कैपिटल 1 लाख कैपिटल का 10,000 और डाला तो दैट इज़ नोन एज एडिशनल कैपिटल. विड्रॉल, किसी ने अपना कैपिटल वापस निकाल लिया, विड्रॉल ऑफ कैपिटल. ड्राइंग्स, पर्सनल नीड के लिए जब हम कुछ भी निकालते थे, वी मस्ट हैव रिमेंबर्ड इन क्लास 11 वी यूज टू सब्ट्रैक्ट ड्राइंग्स फ्रॉम capital the same way. So these two things you can add in the opening capital, and these are the three things which we subtract from the opening capital, and the result which we get is known as the closing capital. You understand? Opening से closing के लिए we add these two things and we subtract these three. Now what will happen if the question gives you closing capital? What will happen if the question gives you the closing capital? And I told you we require the opening capital is a must for doing interest on capital. अभी closing मिला है, we don't know the opening capital. अगर if I give you an example, to listen properly and you think about the answers in your mind, that your mother gave you certain money in morning, morning in the morning when you were once upon a time when you were going in school. And then after some time you just wanted to check that how much money you forgot what amount of money your mother gave. So you started checking your wallet, you saw that there are 400 rupees. अब ये 400 rupees मम्मा ने दिए, ज़्यादा दिए थे कि कम दिए थे? तो you will start recalling. You will recall, अरे हमने रास्ते में I purchased stationery worth ₹100 rupees. मैंने रास्ते में स्कूल आते हुए मैंने 100 rupees की स्टेशनरी खरीदी. तो दैट 100 rupees must be subtracted from the money which your mother gave. तो तब तो subtract हुआ होगा, बट अभी to find out the exact amount which your mother gave, you have to add that 100 rupees instead of subtracting it. So you will add that 400 rupees and find out how much your mother gave in the morning. So you will add 100 rupees to 400. तो यानी मम्मा ने कितने पैसे दिए थे? 500 rupees. Because 100 rupees you have spent on the stationery while you were coming to school. Do you understand? So क्या किया? जैसे माइनस करना था उसे प्लस कर दिया. In the same way हमें क्लोजिंग से ओपनिंग जाना है, तो जो थिंग्स हम जो ऐड करते थे उन्हें माइनस कर देंगे और जो माइनस करते थे उन्हें ऐड कर देंगे, और जो आंसर आएगा वो होगा तुम्हारा ओपनिंग कैपिटल. तो ऐड क्या क्या करेंगे बेटा? We'll add if there is a loss, we'll add capital withdrawal, and we'll add drawing. जो यूजुअली हम क्या कर रहे थे बेटा? माइनस कर रहे थे, उसे अब हम क्या कर देंगे? ऐड. और जो ऐड कर रहे थे उसे क्या कर देंगे? माइनस. क्या क्या था? प्रॉफिट एंड एडिशनल कैपिटल. Next is additional capital. So the result which you will get is, the answer which you will get will be the opening capital, जिसके according हम निकालेंगे interest on capital. So a quick revision that opening stock, these are the two things which increase the capital, so we add them. These are the three things which decrease the capital, so we subtract them, and the result after this addition and subtraction is what? The closing capital. But I told you, to do the interest on capital, first we have to find out the opening capital is very important. So if in the case there is closing capital in the question given, so you'll write the closing capital. Instead of adding these two things, you will subtract them, and instead of subtracting these three things, you will add them, and the result which you will get is the opening capital, from where again we start the question and do the interest on capital. The concept we'll understand better with an example. See, there is a partner A whose closing capital is given 2 lakhs. His drawings were 20,000. His share of profit was 30,000, and his additional capital which he added on 31st of December was 40,000. Now can you see, we have the closing capital, we have drawings and everything, but we don't have the opening capital, which I told is the must when we have to take out the interest on capital. So first of all, what are we going to do? We are going to find out the opening capital. So how will we do it? First we will write the closing capital. What is the closing capital given? 2 lakhs. I told you there are certain things which we are going to add, and there are certain things which we are going to subtract from the opening closing capital. Drawings, what do we do usually with the drawings? We subtract it, but यहाँ बेटा में उल्टा चलना है. ड्राइंग्स को हम नॉर्मल केस में कैपिटल में से माइनस करते हैं, पर यहाँ हम उल्टा चल रहे हैं, इसीलिए ड्राइंग्स को हम क्या करेंगे? कैपिटल में प्लस. So what is the amount of drawings which should be added? Is 20,000 rupees. Then his share of profit. What is profit done? If you remember in class 11, profit को क्या करते थे? नेट प्रॉफिट को कैपिटल में ऐड. अभी क्या करेंगे? उसका उल्टा, क्योंकि हम उल्टा चल रहे हैं, तो क्या प्रॉफिट को हम क्या करेंगे? माइनस. What is the amount of profit? 30,000. Then next is given additional capital. He added 40,000 to his capital. He added 40,000 to his capital. कैपिटल में ऐड किया, उल्टा चल रहे हैं, क्या करेंगे? माइनस. तो द अमाउंट विल बी 70, जो हमें माइनस करना है, और 20 प्लस. सो यू ऐड 20,000, इट वुड बी 2,20,000, and you will subtract 70,000. So your answer is, this is your answer, which is your opening capital. Now we got the closing opening capital. Now we have to take, now the question is not finished yet. Now we will take out interest on capital. Now we will take out interest on capital, which is the requirement of the question. So what was the opening capital? Means on 1st April the capital was 1,50,000, the opening capital, which we have found out. The opening capital was 1,50,000, and he added to his capital on 31st of December. Means the change was on 31st of December. Means from 1st April to 31st of December, his interest on capital was, actually I am taking classes because I am taking for you all people, those who are missing your teachers. So on the blackboard writing, the way we were writing on the blackboard previously also. So from 1st April to 31st December, the capital was 1,50,000, and from 31st till the next change, no change. So till 31st of March, his capital was, he added capital. Here he added, how much capital he added? Additional capital we have written 40,000. So after adding 40,000, his capital became 1,90,000. So what does it means? It means that from 1st April to 31st December, the capital was 1,50,000. Then we added 40,000 to it, and his capital on 31st December till 31st March became 1,90,000. सो इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल कैसे निकालेंगे? 50,000 पे फॉर एग्जाम्पल इफ इट इज 10%, तो 10% फ्रॉम अप्रैल टू दिसंबर, अप्रैल, मई, जून, जुलाई, अगस्त, अक्टूबर, नवंबर, दिसंबर, हाउ मेनी मंथ्स? 9 months, ठीक है, तो 9/12. Then again 1,90,000, again 10%, but now how many months? December gone, January, February and March. How many months? 3 months. Do you understand? So यहाँ पर 9 महीने के लिए. Why? Because 1st April से 31st December तक तो 1,50,000 रहा. फिर 31st December को उसने 40,000 का एडिशनल कैपिटल किया. तो एडिशनल कैपिटल को हम क्या करते हैं? ऐड. हमने 1,50,000 में 90,000 एडिशनल कैपिटल ऐड किया एंड इट बिकेम 1,90,000. सो 1,90,000 पे फॉर हाउ मेनी मंथ्स? फॉर 3 months. फाइंड आउट द आंसर एज यूजुअल. ऐड बोथ ऑफ देम. फॉर एग्जाम्पल इसका आंसर आता है A एंड इसका आता है B. तो इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल किसका? A का विल बी A प्लस B. आई होप यू अंडरस्टूड 2 मेथड्स. एक तो डायरेक्ट था, एक में व्हेन वी हैव टू टेक आउट दी, आई टोल्ड यू ओपनिंग कैपिटल इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. सो रिमेंबर, इफ इन द क्वेश्चन यू हैव बीन गिवन द क्लोजिंग कैपिटल, देन मेक श्योर दैट फर्स्ट यू विल टेक आउट दी opening capital from closing to opening first, and then you will do the question further. Thank you for now. We'll continue in the next video.